Athletic Performance Insight, better known as API, was founded in 2018 to build a better video and analytics system for amateur hockey. To deliver on our mission, we're focused on a few key principles. First, the system needs to be practical, no fixed or specialized equipment, and easy to learn. It also has to be versatile. Younger teams may only want basic stats or just the video side of the system, while older, more advanced teams could need deeper analytics and a range of video options. Finally, it needs to be affordable. Visit athleticperformanceinsight.com for up-to-date pricing, including organization discounts. Now let's look at the three main components and how they work together. First, the API app is primarily used to tag event data, but can also be used to capture other information like player shifts and time on ice. The app is designed for a tablet but can be used on a phone and is available on both the Apple and Google Play stores. Next, the API website allows you to manage your roster, schedule, and tagger settings that are downloaded to the app, while using the event data uploaded from the app to create reports and video filters. The last piece of the API system is YouTube, which provides video storage and playback controls. Now that we've gone over the history of API and how the system works, let's look at what makes us different from the competition. First, we've designed the API event tagger to be extremely flexible. Teams that prefer to do their own tagging receive training from API, or the tagging can be outsourced to an API-trained analyst for additional charge. Teams willing to do their own tagging can save money while keeping full control over the timing of their reports and video. Also, the API event tagger was originally designed to tag games live, but can also be used to tag games off video. With a little practice, teams are often surprised how easy and efficient it can be to tag games live. Live tagging also allows teams to access information in-game two different ways. There's a stat summary stored locally on their tablet, or they can upload data at any time during the game, which populates the more detailed reports on the website. The API event tagger also lets multiple devices tag the same game simultaneously, so the work can be distributed across several people. Regardless of the number of devices and the type of data being tracked, all the data uploaded from different devices is merged into a single data set for each game. Whether it's in-game or post-game, let's take a look at a few of the game reports available on the website. The Game Detail Report provides team-based information, including zone exits and entries, and player information, including shifts and time on ice, if the time on ice piece of the API app was used. Both team and player shot charts are available with a variety of filters. The Game Flow Report shows a rolling shot count for both teams, with goals identified and power play and penalty kill time shaded. One other game report has face-off detail, including winning percentage by location, zone, and period for the team and by player. We also aggregate the game data into season reports. A team-based season report provides information on shot attempt differentials, as well as a detailed breakdown of special teams play. Full season stats are calculated for each player and can be expanded to display game-by-game detail. We also have full season shot charts, detailed goalie information, and the same face-off report populated for the full season. While reports can be great for revealing strengths and weaknesses, nothing is better than video when it comes to teaching. That's why API's video portal lets users control up to 3 synced angles and use the event data to create video filters. For example, it's easy to look at all the failed zone exits from a game, or all the shot attempts by a player, or all the face-offs while on the penalty kill. If a coach wants to flag an event to review with the entire team, just click the star, add a comment, and save. Events can also be flagged and commented on for specific players to review privately. Every user can build their own list of video links to help create a highlight video. Finally, teams that use the API app to track time on ice can also use that data to filter video by a player's shifts. So that's a quick overview of the current API system, but we're always adding features and making improvements. please contact us to schedule a more in-depth, up-to-date demo of the system.